In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our new $4.99 design to make a page for SEO so that you can rank for specific keywords. So in this example, I've already gone to Google AdWords. I use Google AdWords, done some searches. I put in some keywords for Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. I just put in a bunch of different types, like the homes for sale, waterfront homes for sale. I could even add homes for sale with a pool. I get 10 different ones to do. And I want to do this because I want to put in enough examples that Google then gives me a bunch of different results. So if I put this in here, now I have 58 results. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sort it by the most searched, the average monthly searches, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to look at these keywords. So lots of different keywords to use. You're going to find a lot of ones with Zillow and Realtor.com in there as well. I like to do all of these if there's only a small amount, which in this case there are. But when you get into the thousands, you're going to look for a couple of different things. You're looking for a high amount of monthly searches, but don't shy away from the ones that only have like 50, because those can be the best qualified leads. If they know exactly what they're searching for, they're a better lead. I'm also going to look at the 3-month and year-over-year change. When I see something that has, like for instance this one, negative 90%, that means there's negative 90% in the last 3 months of people searching for it. And that makes sense because they had a name change. So they're probably searching for mid-pen. When I see positive, so this one not as much, this one definitely not as much in the last 3 months or last year, I don't see any positive ones. But when I do see one that has a positive, then I am going to pay very close attention and usually always make the search for that, regardless of what it is, unless it's something like mobile homes, and I don't want to do mobile homes. Although, let's talk about that for a second. You should always do mobile homes. Even if you don't do mobile homes for sale, somebody does. And this search is, a lot of realtors will turn up their nose to that. So that makes it super easy for you to get to page 1. If you get to page 1 for this and you get tons of clicks, every click you get is going to raise you up for all of the other more important keywords like this one or this one or this one. So if you can make a search and show those properties to that person, make it, because you can always refer that lead out. No problem. If you get a lot of hits, then you're going to find an agent that does mobile homes that you can refer it out to. So, okay, looking at this, I'm going to go with one of the obvious ones. Houses for sale, Bloomsburg, PA. And then I'm going to go back over to my website here, and I'm going to click on Add Page. And I'm going to put my keyword up here in the title, just like that. And then I am going to fix the capitalization. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on Backend Builder. And you're going to click on the little saved guy right there, Save Page Layout. And you should have a page layout saved here called SEO for Keywords Template. So let's load that and replace all page content. It's automatically going to put the right stuff in, set up this for you. It's going to make sure the template is 100% width, and it's going to make it easy for you. This is your keyword. It's going to automatically be put in the title. It's automatically going to go into the title of the page itself. And right here, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And then I'm going to open up this description right here. This is my Chat GPT prompt. I have it pre-filled in. Yours might not say this part right here, so you'll have to change it if it doesn't. And also this right here, if you're a single agent, you're going to change agents to agent. And then you're going to take these little X's right here, or if it has insert keyword right here, delete it and put your keyword in. So it should only be your keyword in between quotes. Then you're going to copy this. And over here, I have Chat GPT open. I'm simply going to paste it in there. There we go. So I'm going to copy this part first. And I'm going to use the text editor. Don't use the visual, because if you use the visual, here's what happens. See how you get this code that says strong data start, data end? That's number one, obvious you use Chat GPT, but number two, it's extra code you don't need in there. So paste it in the text, go back to the visual, and then I usually will grab right here where it says below you'll find the newest homes for sale. I'll go ahead and drop that down a line. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to grab my meta description right here. And I'm going to come down here, edit the snippet, and paste it right in there in the description using the Rank Math SEO. If you have all-in-one SEO or a different SEO, should be the same, just paste it right in there. Now, since we're not really making this page the best it could be for SEO, you don't want to go ahead and put the keyword in here because then it's going to tell you need a bunch of text, you need more content, blah, blah, blah. You don't. This is just what it is. So for this one, we are using Showcase IDX. So the last thing you have to do is, one of the last things is edit this right here. Houses for sale in Bloomsburg, PA. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to go to my search library and I'm going to create a new search. And let's go. And we are going to put single family and residential because we want to just do houses. So, and then status is active. And if they have coming soon, you can do coming soon. So that's all we want chosen right here. So we can close that up. And then we can come down here. We're going to make sure it says sort by newest listing. And we're going to save the search. Then we're going to come up here to hot sheets and we are going to create a new hot sheet. Give it the same name. We want it to be a, we'll do the grid. And we want to show 60 results and link to full yes. And we'll leave this as see all results and show the map yes. So we'll create that hot sheet, grab that, go back to our page, and paste it in there. Now the last thing is we want to go ahead and change the parent page to real estate. This is going to keep it so that they are organized and you don't have 1,000 pages made for SEO and when somebody clicks on pages they're all messed up. This way they're not everywhere. Keep your pages organized and in order by choosing the parent page for real estate. Now we're going to go ahead and publish this page. And we're going to view it. Always view your page. And there you go. Using this keyword, it's in the URL, it's in the heading, it's in the description. Here's all the houses. When they get to the bottom, they can click on see all results. And that is a page built for SEO for a specific keyword. Now go through the rest of these and make as many as you can and do more searches for your other nearby areas and create those. You can even, one of the things I like to do is download this into a CSV file. And we're gonna open that up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab this URL so I can keep track of all of the ones that I've done. Okay, here's my CSV file. Real quickly, I'm gonna delete line 1 and 2. I'm going to highlight row 1, line 1, row 1, whatever, and bold it. And then column A, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so I can see the keyword. Then I'm going to do a quick sort on average monthly searches, largest to smallest. And there you can see, here's my keywords. So, same thing as I had there, but it's a little bit easier. So here's the one I just did. And right here where it says currency in this row, I'm going to go ahead and paste the URL. So I know I did this one already. So there it is. And I can just go down the list and do these. So again, don't discount some of these other searches like this one, which is a very long tail keyword and it shows only 50 searches a month. It's still a great keyword. Even the ones that have the negative 100%, I would still make it because you never know. So there you go. I'm going to go ahead and save this. and I'm going to save it as an Excel document, and I'm going to say Bloomsburg, PA keyword research. So I save it. When I'm done, hopefully I'll have a bunch of these and I'll have a bunch of new pages. Google will index them automatically because we have already submitted your sitemap to Google Search Console. But if not, you can go to Google Search Console and request that it gets indexed as well to give it a little bit, make it a little bit faster. And to do that, you're just gonna open up Google Search Console. You can only do a certain amount of these per day, though, just so you know. I don't have it added in here, but you would basically put it in up here and then let it search for it, and if it says it's not indexed, click on request indexing and it will index it. Only do this once, you do not need to do it multiple times. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know or shoot me an email over at support@yoursiteneedsme.com. Thanks for watching.